Afternoon, children. So today's topic is energy. See, the entire universe is made up of two things. The one is the matter, another one is energy. Energy is very important. So we can see in our daily life the different type of energies. Potential energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, chemical energy, light energy, mechanical energy, like the different type of energy. So we are going to see in our daily life. So today I am going to show you the one or two types of energy with examples, some experiments in our daily life where we are observing. See, first we will take that potential energy. See, materials are required, very simple in our daily life. So we need one nail and a hammer and a wooden piece. See now, potential energy. See, the potential energy due to its position. If I am going to rise like this, here the potential energy is going to create. If I am going to rise this, or hitting like this, hitting like, due to the position of the object, the potential energy is going to create. That we can easily observe in our daily life. See, one more energy, the same potential energy. So because this potential energy is potential energy is due to his position. We are going to call it as position. And then I am going to take another example. See, I have an instrument here. This instrument, so here spring is there. If I am going to press the spring like this, it's going to compress. If I am going to leave it like this, it starts moving like this. See now what I am going to do? I am going to compress this. I am going to put one ball here. One ball or bead is there. So what I am going to do? I am going to compress and hit it. I am going to compress. Here also, see, just a minute. When I am going to compress this, so here also, because of compressed configuration, here what will happen, that energy is going to create. Potential energy is going to create the potential energy. See that movement. See here, I am going to push it. I am going to press it and I am going to push it like this. This is an example for kinetic energy. See here. See? Ball is moving. Ball is moved like that. So, because due to the potential energy is the position and configuration, so that is we can understand easily. These are all the two examples for potential energy that we have to understand. Thank you, children.